sediment is a bit yellow.
Here's the, this is the edge of the inner crater we're approaching right now. So you can see the, going to drop down in. It's a pretty steep drop off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it created a little, explosion.
Like a little explosion crater,
yeah. Tough ring, yeah.
So those of you looking at home, you might see the colors that you're looking at on the screen are rather quite vivid. These yellow and orange, and these are, this is almost a complete cover of iron oxidizing bacteria that are producing iron oxyhydroxides. This is a deposit which is almost pure iron, and it's controlled very much by the microbiology. It's not a sort of inorganic.
We're currently at a depth of 255 meters, heading towards the Champagne vent. This is one of the sites that we visited when we were at Kikimjeni last year, and the plan for this dive is to take the temperature, both at the Champagne vent and at 3 other sites, I believe. We're also going to be measuring gas flux. So basically holding a picture over the bubble streams here in the vents and seeing how long it takes to fill up. We're going to be taking samples of hydrothermal deposits and some push cores of the crater floor as well. So there's a lot going on this dive. At this point in time, we don't know what the composition of the gas is, but we're going to be measuring it later on in the cruise with a piece of equipment called a laser spectrometer. So stay tuned for future dives here at Kikimjeni, and we should be able to tell you exactly what the composition of the gas coming out of there is.
Okay, let's try a temperature measurement.
Owen from the Williams School, thanks for your question.
Yeah, that's fine.
The ambient temperature of the water here is just shy of 15 degrees Celsius, and now we've just put the temperature probe into the vent here.
So is it 30? Is it
30.8.
So we're currently taking the temperature here at the Champagne vent.
It's gone to 33 to 40. Yeah, it's going up fast.
40, 46.
It's jumping by 5s. Is it?
Yeah, 53, 56.
Yeah, that's a good one. Definitely.
61. Is it starting to
that's fine, man. It's going up.
So we're at 77 degrees. Very close. We're going to hit 80 degrees here pretty soon. We are at 80 degrees now. 85. There's a lot of shimmering water coming out of there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very vigorous. Well, so what I want to do now is I want to set up to do a gas flux measurement on the very top of the vent there where the big bubble stream is coming out. Okay, I've got a stopwatch ready. So whenever you're in position.
So I made a marker. The marker is at 250, 500, and then you can see 1,000.
And then the bottom is
2. Yeah.
What we're measuring is the gas flux from the hot vents at the crater of Kikimjeni.
So last time we took bets on how long it would take to fill it.
What's your bet, Steve?
Like 5 minutes.
Anybody out there want to bet? Over,
Rich and I are
under?
racing. So the gas is dominantly carbon dioxide. It's about 96% CO2. A little bit of methane, probably some the H2S or SO2. But the dominantly carbon dioxide. So it's like what's in a can of Coke.
We have quite a few wagers coming in for the time.
Oh, we do? Okay.
Yeah, one viewer is wagering 1 meter of cable.
Oh, I figured that would happen. Okay, we'll call it.
What's the official time?
It's 11:40.
Yep. 11:40. Excellent.
Okay.
All right.
Get that
11:40.
Right.
So this is the weaker gas vent at Champagne.
All right.
So did anybody get it out there?
Let's see. What's the
Right.
final
So
time?
Steve, do you want to take
Say it
two of the same thing on the
11:40.
We're going to do 3 of them here.
3 of them here?
Yep.
Okay.
So pick it up and empty it out.
The fun part.
11 minutes.
Ooh.
Wow.
11 minutes
there's
and
still some in
34
there, yeah.
seconds. She was closest, but she did put in
Beautiful.
that bet a little bit late.
Ah,
She put it in 6 minutes ago, or 7 minutes ago.
Yeah, well,
okay.
Although we were already 2 minutes into our measurement. So
You tell me
Linda
when.
from Santa
So
Clarita
if you can
said
get it
12
vertical,
minutes 48
Yeah,
well,
if we
if it's
get it
possible, if you can get it
vertical
vertical
before you,
first,
before
and
yeah,
then
before you
move
put it over. Yeah.
Hey, you were wondering how we're going to take that gas up to the surface. We are not. We're just measuring what you're seeing if you're tuning in now. Is we're measuring how quickly it takes the gas to fill up that cup. So
Okay.
So.
We can dump this one.
Hold for 1 second.
Oh, you need to. What was that, Rich?
But so we're going to change the heading of the ship.
Oh.